Martin, hi.
Hello.
Yeah, better living through chemistry, am I right?
Yes, you are right. MEIKO Active is, but it is so much more. We don't want to sell only a canister of chemicals. We want to sell a complete solution, a perfect solution for the complete washing system to our customers. And Ben, imagine there is a MEIKO customer who is not satisfied with the washing result of his cutlery and the glasses. So he is contacting his chemical supplier, and after 2 days, a service comes by. He is checking the dosing of the chemicals. He is checking the quality of the water and the temperature, and then he finds out the micro heating is defective, and so a MEIKO service is required. The next day, the MEIKO service is on site, repair the machine, but the washing result is still perfect, and the customer is satisfied. But the staff was extremely frustrated, and the manual labor work was expensive. So if that owner of the restaurant would be a MEIKO Active customer, he just has to call MEIKO, and within 1 day, we could solve the problem easily.
Okay, that's the service solution, the holistic. I wanted to talk about chemicals. Everything here is about sustainability, a lot of green themes in that. I buy the green label dishwashing detergent for use at home. I have to be honest with you. I like using it, but it just doesn't get the job done the way the old stuff did. Are you running into this problem with your own chemistry within MEIKO?
When we consider the eco-friendly products within the MEIKO product range, then it is not what you say. So if we consider the performance of the wash result, then the eco-friendly products are absolutely comparable with the standard premium products.
Okay, and issues of hygiene, are you able to maintain those standards with this?
Yeah, if we talk about hygiene, then chemicals, doesn't matter if it is eco-friendly or not, can only support the hygiene result. In this context, the temperature is much more important. There are different expert opinions, for example from Dr. von Reinbaben, and he confirms that when a MEIKO dishwasher is running with the right temperature, in combination with the right chemicals, for example MEIKO Active, then we can ensure a hygiene washing result.
Okay, so it's better for the environment, it works just as well. I'm guessing it's more expensive.
Yeah, it is a little bit more expensive. The price difference between the premium standards and the eco-friendly products are approximately 5%.
Only?
Ben, 5%. It is a great investment, a wonderful investment into sustainability and to protect our planet.
Okay. When you said yes, I expected well above 20. That's encouraging.
No, it's not much.
That makes it an option for many kitchens. All right, Martin, thank you very much for speaking with us.
Ben, it was a pleasure for me. Thank you.
Great.
Bye.